And the Oscar goes to Je Jung-yoon.
Mr. Brad Pitt, finally. Nice to meet you. Where were you while we were filming in Tulsa?